This game is called Fling the Teacher, and using Fling the Teacher, you can test your students in a fun way where they get the chance to fling you across the screen if they answer their questions correctly. So, I will show you how this game works. First off, you can change your picture here so that it's a picture of you. Makes it a little more fun for the kids, knowing that they get to fling you. So, you can create your own game. All you have to do is title your quiz and then answer your questions. It is a little bit difficult, I will say, and time consuming to type in the questions, but it's worth it for the fun. You can do certain amounts of questions. Sorry, I just spaced. They want you to do 15 questions. Once you have those questions created, then you can share this as a class test, and then your kids can log in and sign up with your link, and then you start the game. So it will ask some different questions. Sorry, it cut the questions off here. Okay, so it will say, what is the capital of Kansas? And they have to decide what's their answer, and then they continue through. Okay, I'm going to pause this, answer the rest of the questions, and then I will show you what happens at the end. Okay, now that I can return here, sorry, technical difficulty. Once they get to the final question, as long as they answer it correct, then they get the chance to fling their teacher. So, all they have to do is pull back and launch. They are trying to make it into that little hole down there. And that is Fling Your Teacher.